Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set pin lock in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set your pin lock in your Vivo phone, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set pin lock in our Vivo phone. So friends, first of all, come in your phone setting. Guys, click on the security setting guys. And guys, scroll it and guys you can see screen lock. Click and guys click on pin. So you can see pin must be at least 4 digit guys. So example for guys, I am telling you guys this 2580, next 2580, confirm. So guys, now you can see guys, we have this pin password in our Vivo phone guys. So it's 2580, right. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pin password in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.